I'm a Cook Islander from Aotearangi. I've been at Pacific Resort for almost 3 years. I started off as a wait staff in the restaurant and now I'm at guest services at reception. The one thing that really makes me enjoy my job is seeing the guests happy and knowing that I did the best that I could do to make sure that their holiday was the best holiday. I come to work generally because I love making people happy when it comes to guests. It's my job to make sure their stay is enjoyable and everything that they need is done for them. Otherwise, what are we here for? Absolute guest satisfaction. That's why we're here. For me, with my guests, I just make sure I'm honest with my guests, and also that I make sure that what they ask for, I follow through and making sure that they get what they need and what they want. Also trying to work with my team at the front office, that all of us, we can help make sure we look after our guests in the best way possible.